I'm going to show you how to make this delicious loaf of easy and gluten-free bread. Let's go! So for this recipe, we need 270 milliliters of water, 5 grams of dried yeast, 95 grams of rice flour, 20 grams of buckwheat flour, 90 grams of potato starch, 15 grams of teff flour, 35 grams of arrowroot, 7 grams of psyllium husk powder. This is very important, don't miss this one out. 10 grams of liquid honey, 5 grams of a neutral vegetable oil. I used sunflower oil, 5 grams of salt, and 60 grams of raisins. I just use sultanas. Also remember to use a digital food scales. Gluten-free baking, especially bread baking, is very tricky and you need to get the proportions exactly right. So the first thing you need to do is put the water in a bowl, add the dried yeast and sprinkle a little sugar on top, then leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes to activate the yeast. So while the yeast is being activated, you can take another bowl and mix all the flours. Quick reminder, that's 95 grams of rice flour, 20 grams of buckwheat flour, 90 grams of potato starch, 15 grams of teff flour, 35 grams of arrowroot, 7 grams of psyllium husk powder, and 5 grams of salt. So put them all in a bowl and mix them. So after about 5 to 10 minutes, your water will look like this. As you can see, there's a few little bubbles. That means the yeast is activated. So now you can add the 5 grams of sunflower oil and the 10 grams of honey. Next, you're going to add your flour mix and the 60 grams of raisins. And now all you need to do is give it a good mix. So next, you're going to have to put the dough in a cake tin. You need to line the cake tin with some non-stick baking paper, very important, otherwise it won't work. I've used a cake tin that's 18 centimeters long. So you just put the dough in the cake tin and then you can just push it in a little bit. And we are going to let it rise. It's going to double in size. So let it rise in a warm and humid place for about an hour to 2 hours. It really depends on the weather. Sometimes it rises fast, sometimes it takes a long time. I put it in my cold oven with a bowl of steaming hot water, creates a nice humid environment, and it rises beautifully. So this is what it looks like after about an hour. It's risen really nicely. I could let it rise a little bit more, but I'm going to go with this. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 50 minutes at 210 degrees. Let's go. And there you go. Look at this. One lovely loaf of gluten-free bread with raisins in it. If you love raisins, you love this bread. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope the bread turns out as delicious for you as it does for me. If you have any questions at all, please post them in the comments below this video. If you want me to publish a particular recipe, also let me know in the comments. You'll find all the ingredients in the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you want to see more of my content, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to eat some bread now. Bye for now.